not sure you can let go of nervousness, but you can learn how not to show it. We need to be nervous. If we're not nervous, we don't have the adrenaline. If we don't have the adrenaline, we can't speak with enthusiasm. And I expect everybody has been to a presentation where somebody just talked like this and they were not nervous because they knew their subject and the audience was glazing as they spoke. So nervousness is important, but you must use it as a tool and not as an enemy. As I speak now, I'm nervous, I'm being filmed, so I'm using my body language, but I'm using it. I'm not letting it freeze me. So use it to your body language to release that nervousness slightly. So it is okay to move. It's okay to move your arms. Obviously, it's not okay to do big movements that are distracting. But it's all about looking okay and feeling okay and making your audience feel okay so that they're ready to receive the message. To interact with the audience, which is a very important thing to do, you must look at your audience. I know it's a scary thing to do, and it really doesn't matter whether your audience is 5 people or 500 people. It's still scary. You get up there and they're looking at you, but you need to look back. It is a two-way process. If you don't look at them, you don't know if they're listening, you don't know if they've understood, you don't know if they're asleep, you don't know anything, and you're not talking to them, you're just reciting something. Looking into your audience is vital. If I'm in an audience and I'm considering a good lecture, it is somebody who has enthusiasm, speaks clearly, looks at the audience, looks as if they are genuinely interested in what they have to say, that what they've been working on is interesting and that they love it. And that they're looking at me for my reaction. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable, again, in what you're wearing. Because if you're uncomfortable when you're standing up there and speaking, it will show. So wear something you are comfortable in. Now, unfortunately, if this means that what you're comfortable in is a tatty t-shirt and jeans with holes in, that's fine, but you have to remember that may take the audience's attention away from what you have to say, just as much as if you're wearing a suit that's too tight and you look very uncomfortable in it.